Hello, Internet. If you're like me and you were looking for a pedal box, you see these OBP ones all over the place. You'll never find a person showing you them installed, because I could not. So they're really nicely made, but the frustrating thing is they give you absolutely zero information about what to do with them, what masters to buy, any of that stuff. So they're supposed to have 3 positions to mount the masters. I only see 2 holes per hole. They don't tell you what master to use, so this is their super short master, again, from them. And I had to cut about, I don't know, 1.5 inches off of the rod to get them to fit and work properly in their own pedal box. Of course, this is an American thread. I think it's a 7/16 by 32 for the reservoir, and then a metric thread for the pressure side. So that's fun too. But otherwise, once you figure out how to mount them and figure out how to get master cylinders to work, and you also have to install them one at a time, because when they're installed, your distance between the next master and the reservoir bolt is too close to ever hope to get that to start. So you got to do them one at a time. You see how you're kind of in there crooked so you can spin them in. So yeah, I mean, they make nice stuff. I just wish they would tell you what to buy. I mean, what would stop me from buying a complete kit with masters in it already? Nothing. But so yeah, there's your 2-minute video if you ever try to buy these. Oh, let's talk about the gas pedal. Next up is their gas pedal, which has 1 hole on the top of it, and it moves this way. So it's set up for a pole style throttle cable. And figure out how to mount it to that teeny little through bolt there. So yeah, OBP, man. Nice stuff. Like, the pedals feel good, the box feels good, they all feel high quality. I've sat in the car. It's not done yet, but I like where they are. I like how they feel. But man, put some videos up of people putting them in, please.